366 species in genus Ruellia. October 20th. Ruellia. Ruellia, the wild petunia, represents October 20th. Ruellia symbolizes spontaneity and charm. You bring excitement and joy to every situation. Like its vibrant blooms, your personality is radiant. Ruellia, a world of wild petunias. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the diversity of the plant world. Lately, I've become particularly captivated by the genus Ruellia, a group of flowering plants often called wild petunias. While they share a resemblance with petunias, they're not actually closely related. Their vibrant colors and unique forms have drawn me in, and I've spent countless hours learning about their characteristics, habitats, and uses. What makes Ruellia special? Ruellia belongs to the Acanthaceae family, which boasts a wide array of flowering plants. What sets Ruellia apart are their distinctive flowers, often trumpet-shaped with 5 petals, and their ability to thrive in diverse environments. From the tropics to temperate regions, these plants have adapted to various conditions, showcasing their resilience and beauty. One of the things I find most interesting about Ruellia is its history. The genus was named after Jean Ruel, a renowned herbalist and physician who served Francis I of France. Ruel was a pioneer in his field, translating ancient Greek texts on botany and medicine, including the works of Dioscorides. It's fitting that such a vibrant and diverse genus bears the name of a man who dedicated his life to understanding the natural world. A kaleidoscope of colors and forms. The diversity within the Ruellia genus is truly remarkable. With over 300 recognized species, these plants come in a stunning array of colors, shapes, and sizes. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their ornamental value, Ruellia plants have also been used for medicinal purposes in various cultures. Traditionally, they've been employed to treat ailments such as fever, coughs, and skin infections. Some species are even believed to have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. While more research is needed to fully understand their medicinal potential, the historical and cultural significance of Ruellia in traditional medicine is undeniable. Cultivating Ruellia, a rewarding experience. Growing Ruellia can be a rewarding experience for any plant enthusiast. Many species are relatively easy to care for, requiring well-drained soil, ample sunlight, and regular watering. They can be propagated through cuttings or seeds, allowing you to expand your collection and share these beautiful plants with others. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Ruellia offers a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature and add a touch of vibrant color to your surroundings. A continuing journey of discovery. As I continue to explore the world of Ruellia, I'm constantly amazed by their beauty and resilience. These plants serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the plants around them, and perhaps you too will discover the captivating allure of Ruellia.